is rich culturally, and this vast country is also geographically unique. There are several places in India which will make you feel surprised. Today, Simply Curious starts another top 5 places in India that will surprise you. This will be an ongoing series, and this is just part 1 of many to come. Before we surprise you with the list, let's talk about that one place which missed its chance to break into the top 5. The Eternal Flame Jwalaji Temple, Kangra. Throughout the year, people visit the Jwalaji Temple of Kangra to seek blessings from the goddess. In the center of the temple, a hollowed stone holds a flame that has been burning for hundreds of years. According to the legend, Lord Shiva's wife Sati immolated herself in anguish when her father disrespected her husband. A furious Shiva danced the Tandav Nritya carrying the burnt corpse. In doing so, she fell into 51 parts and landed on the earth. Each of these locations turned into a religious shrine for the Hindus. The Jwalaji of Kangra is believed to be Sati's fiery tongue. Number 5. Living Root Bridges, Cherrapunji, Meghalaya. The ethereal Living Root Bridges will give you the feel of having landed in Avatar's Pandora rather than a place in Northeast India. The bridges are a form of tree shaping which is common in the southern part of Meghalaya. They are handmade from the aerial roots of living banyan fig trees by the Khasi people and the War Jaintia people of the mountainous terrain along the southern part of the Shillong Plateau. The pliable tree roots are made to grow through beetle tree trunks, which have been placed across rivers and streams until the fig's roots attach themselves to the other side. They use sticks, stones and other objects to make this growing bridge more stable and sturdy. It can take up to 15 years to finish one such bridge, and under ideal conditions, they can last for many hundreds of years. As long as the tree they are formed from remains healthy, they naturally renew and strengthen as their component roots grow thicker. Some of these bridges are more than 100 feet long. The Umshiang double-decker bridge is truly one of a kind in the world. Some ancient root bridges are over 500 years old. Number 4. The Great Banyan Tree, Howrah. The Botanical Garden at Howrah, Kolkata has a 1250-year-old Great Banyan Tree with a canopy covering an area of 4 acres. This tree is considered to be the widest tree in the world. After being struck by lightning, the tree was diseased. The trunk had to be removed in 1925. It continues to live without its main trunk and has 3,300 aerial roots reaching down to the ground. What appears to be a forest is actually one single tree. At third place is the world's largest river island, Majuli, Assam. About 200 kilometers east from Guwahati, located on the mighty Brahmaputra, is Majuli, the world's largest river island. The island had a total area of 1,250 square kilometers, but having lost significantly to erosion, it measured 352 square kilometers in 2014. It was formed due to the course changes by the river Brahmaputra and its tributaries, mainly the Lohit. The island has 144 villages with a population of over 150,000 and a density of 300 individuals per square kilometer. The only mode of association to the outside world is through a ferry service which operates 6 times a day. Despite the drawbacks that this island faced, modernism has touched this island with the setting up of medical centers and educational institutions. They have also moved from traditional bamboo and mud constructions to houses made of concrete. Majuli is the abode of the Assamese Neo-Vaishnavite culture. The scenic beauty of this island is the closest one can feel to the heavens. Coming second is the world's only floating lake, Loktak Lake, Manipur. The largest freshwater lake in India's northeast, the Loktak Lake is a sight to behold. Because of its floating fumdis or islands, it has been named as the world's only floating lake. Apart from its scenic beauty, this lake plays a major role in Manipur's economy, serving as a source for hydropower generation, irrigation, drinking water supply, and source of livelihood for the local fishermen. The largest of all the fumdis or floating islands on Loktak is the Cable Lamjao National Park, the last natural refuge of the endangered Manipur brow-antlered deer. Topping our list today is the North Sentinel Island or the Untouched Island. North Sentinel Island is a tiny, densely forested bit of land located in the Bay of Bengal. Being completely encircled by coral reefs, this island, which is a part of the Andaman Islands, is one of the most cut-off places on the planet. But its inaccessibility is not just because of its geography. The island is occupied by a tribe known as the Sentinelese, who really do not want any outsiders to encroach on their land. Any attempts at contact have been met with violence and hostility. In fact, in 2004, when the Indian Ocean earthquake struck, the research aircraft which was assessing the damage caused to the island was shot at by arrows from the Sentinelese. In 2006, 2 adrift fishermen were killed by these people. Thus, it is no surprise that nobody is allowed to visit this island, and the Sentinelese remain the most isolated people in the world. What do you think of this list? To know more about such unique places in India, subscribe to Simply Curious.